guys, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 10 preposition and their correct uses. Okay, so like a start on this chapter here. First of all, we discuss the definitions. Okay, चलिए a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentences. Example है the apple is in the basket. The school is on Nehru Road. Okay. चलिए kinds of prepositions हैं. Prepositions of place. Number first है preposition of place tells us where. Some preposition of place are above, below, under, over, beside, down, near, in front of, around, etc. चलिए examples है a fruit hung above my head, but I could not reach it. The man walked down the road. Next to at and on are used as preposition of place. Example है I live in Mumbai, someone is at the door, the painting is on the wall. Next to between and among. The use of between and among often creates confusion. Between is used when they are only two persons and two things. Among is used when there are more than two. Examples हैं Neha sat between her two best friends. Next है share the chocolates equally among your cousins. चलिए beside and besides का है do not confuse beside with besides. Beside mean by the sign of. Besides mean except on an addition to. Example, I sat beside my mother and held her hand. Next, besides Tara, Ravi and Beena were also at the show. आगे है number 2 पर preposition of time. Prepositions of time are used to indicate time when something happens or the duration of something. Example है he lived in Meerut for 5 years. Next is the flight will arrive at midnight. So the preposition for indicates the duration of a stay, whereas at indicates the exact time of arrival of flight. Some more preposition of time are definitions है after, before, during, for, around, between, for, one, at, by, so, till, and since. Okay. चलिए correct use of the some prepositions of time. Number first है by. By is it is used to indicate the latest time at which an action will be over. Example है the cultural program will be over by 8 p.m. It may be over before 8 p.m. but it will be over latest by 8 p.m. Okay. चलिए at in on का use है it is used to denote a particular time but can also be used to refer to in indefinite periods. चलिए आगे हैं at का है at 4 o'clock, at noon, at the beginning of the assembly, at the end of the conference, at night, at duke. On is used with dates and days. Example है on Friday on 27 December. On the morning of 6 June. ठीक है चलिए in is used with parts of the day, month, year and season. Example है in the afternoon, in the evening. For or since का है since indicates the points of time when an action is started and for indicates the period time for which an action has been going on. Example है they have been troubling since Monday. She has been sick for a week. चलिए from का है from indicate the starting point of an action. It is generally used with to, till or until. He was a सीनरी ऑफ द क्लब फ्रॉम 2012 2000। आगे है केस हमारे सामने थर्ड पॉइंट, प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ डायरेक्शन। जानते हैं प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ मूवमेंट और डायरेक्शन डिनोट हियर। So, preposition of movement are to, at, was, through, into, over, under, up and down, etc. चलिए एग्जाम्पल है, द बॉय वॉक्ड अंडर द ब्रिज। लेट्स क्लाइंब ओवर द वॉल टू प्लग द फ्लावर। नेक्स्ट रचित आर टुवर्ड्स द रिवर। नेक्स्ट है इनटू एंड टुवर्ड्स के। टू डिनोट करता है फिक्स डेस्टिनेशन को, while toward denote movement and is indefinite, and the use of into suggests movement from outside to enclose space. Example number first, gone to the market. Next, I want to school on Sunday. The children jumped into the pool and she went toward the toy. Upon and off use है. We use upon and off to speak of movement. Next, upon denotes toward and off mean away from. Example है, the children jumped upon their father when he came home. It says she fell off the bicycle. Correct use of the some important preposition. जैसे by or with का with denotes who and what. The agent of an action is, okay. चलिए by is used in the passive to talk of the door and action. चलिए number first है, the walls were drilled by the electrician with an electric drill. Next है, the thief was beaten by the resident with. Next है, after इनका after है, after is used to refer to some period of the time in the past. इनका used to indicate some period of the time in the future. Example as, she will reach there after 3 hours. और he will return to the office in an hour. Okay. चलिए on time and time का है, on time indicates करता है arrange time को, neither before nor after the fixed time. और on time show करता है not late and within a comfortable span of time. Example, I reached the hospital on time, he reached the auditorium in time for in a regular speech. Okay. Next case again, phrase prepositions. चलिए करते हैं डिस्कस. Sometimes there are group of words which are used as prepositions. They are called phrase preposition. Examples हैं, in spite of the rough weather she went for a sail. Next time he tried to please the people with an eye to coming elections. चलिए आगे है, the law was framed in accordance to the rules gives in the constitution. Next is some other phrase prepositions are, जैसे according to, in front of, with a view to, in case of, by mean of, instead of, on behalf, apart from, because of, in place of. Okay. चलिए words like जैसे regarding, concealing, daring, considering, and so on the often used without it. Noun or pronoun attached to them and do the work of preposition. Okay. Now kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood that. Thank you. Have a nice day.